Good evening and welcome back. Today is day 16 on this capacity building training for 1,000 Nigerian Civil Servants on ICT, which is organized by Hammad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. So, as always, we'll start by showing our outlines, and our day 16 outlines are recap on day 15, text customization using shortcut keys Control N to Control Z, question and answer session, then conclusion. So, recap on day 15. On day 15, we know how to customize a text using shortcut keys from Control A to Control M. So, today's class will continue customizing text using shortcut keys from Control N to Control Z, which is where we left off yesterday to end. So let me share my screen now so that we will continue. So we'll continue with Control N. So Control N in MS Word is used to open a new blank document in your if you want, maybe you want to write something in a different page. So you just click on Control N, Control plus N, and it will open a new blank document for you like this. As you can see, press Control plus N and it automatically open a blank new page for you so that you can create your new document and continue with your work. So we have Control O. Control O is used to open an existing file. It's Control O will help you open a previous saved file in your previous saved document in your file. So if you want to maybe open some file in your document and you don't have to get out and then go find the file and open, you just click on Control O, that means open. So it will take you direct to file manager so you can open the file like this. As you can see, press Control O, then you click on this browse, then it will show your file manager directly so you can open the file which you want. Like this. So you can see this my file manager, so you can click on the folder the file is in, maybe in desktop, in which folder you can select and then open the file you want like this. So this is what Control O does to you in MS Word. Then we have Control P. Control P, which is used to print a hard copy of your document. Maybe you finish what you are writing, you want a hard copy of it, you just click on Control plus P and then it will take you to print dialog box. Like this, it will open a print menu for you. As you can see, this is the page preview. This is how your page will be printed as. So this is where you set up your page as you want it. You want to print all the pages. You want to add page number. You want to print what sided is it. You want to print it as A4, normal margin, one page per sheet. You just set your page to where you want it to be. So this is what Control P does to you. Then we have Control Q. Control Q is 1.1 pipeline space. We use Control Q to add normal line spacing in your document. So you just highlight the document and just press on Control plus Q. And okay, I see it's already in 1.1 pipeline space. So let me just make it like this full point. So if you want it, you just click or Control Q, and you see it get back to normal 1.15 lines per, so that your document will look neat and professional. Then we have Control R. Control R is like Control L that we say left alignment. So Control R is right alignment. So if you want your document to be on the right side, on the right alignment, so you just click on Control. You just highlight it, click on Control R. Like this, you see your document move to right alignment. So if you want to make it back together, you just click on Control L, and you see it get back to where it is. Then we have Control S, which is save. After you finish writing your text, you want to save your document, you just click on Control S, and it will take you to saving menu, so that you can save your file after finishing, after finish writing your document like this. Yes, just finish. I don't know why it's taking so long. Control S. So it will open your option like this. It will come as and save as, so you can browse where you want to save your file like this. So you can select the folder here where you want to save it. You give it a name, and then you click on save, and it will save the file for you. So this is what Control S does to you in MS Word. Then we have Control T, which is left indentation. Control T indents every line except line used in reference list or biographies. So you just click on Control plus T, and you see it indent the second and the third line for you, but not the first one. So this is what Control T does to you in MS Word. Then we have Control U, which is underline. So after you finish maybe writing the header of your document, and you want to underline it, or you want to underline the specific text in your document, maybe a reference that you want people to be familiar with. So you just highlight the text, and then click on Control plus U, and you see it's underline the text for you. So this is what Control U is. Then we have Control V, which is paste. So after you copy something, now you want to paste it, make it visible so that everyone can see. So that's why you use Control V to paste it. Let's say, by example, you copy this and you want to paste it here. So you just click on Control V, and the and the copied file will be appear here. Let's see. You click on Control C and copy it. So you just come here and click on Control V to paste it. So this is what Control V is about. Then we have Control W, which is close. After finish using your document, you want to close it. You want to close the current document you are in. You just click on Control W, which is close. You see it. Want to save your change to shortcut keys. If you click on Don't Save, or the sound of this file will be temporarily unavailable. So if you save it, it will automatically close the document for you. So let's just cancel like this. So we have Control X, which is cut. So Control X is used to, it removes and copy content to clipboard. If you cut something in MS, if you use Control X to cut something, that means you don't have a copy of it. You took it, you took it all like this. If you highlight this word here and click on Control X, it will disappear because you cut it from there. That means you are going to make it visible somewhere. So you come here and click on Control V to paste it. You see, you don't have a copy of it there and you just have it here. So then we have Control Y, which is redo. Control Y applies the last undone action you do in MS Word. So as for example, maybe you undo, you delete something mistakenly and you use Control Z to undo it. Let's say for example like this, you delete this word, then use Control Z to undo it. So if you want to delete it again, you'll just have to click on Control plus Y and the text will disappear from there. So that's also Control Z, Control Y, and Control Z is Control Y is used to redo something, Control Z is used to undo something in MS Word. So I think this is the end of our shortcut keys practical. So this is why we're going to stop for the day. So I think this is the end of our class today, and we have question and answer. As always, if you have any question, please drop it in chat. So and I'll respond to it. So then we have thank you for listening, and we'll meet again tomorrow, inshallah.